Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about how to properly activate the film. A lot of customers have been asking and a lot of you guys have been commenting, so we thought we'd shoot a quick little video on this. This is going to be super quick, super simple. If you want a very detailed explanation of setting up your gun and things like that, definitely check out the description below. We're going to have a link in there to a video that shows how to set up the gun and everything like that. A lot more detail, but that's not what this video is going to be. This video is mainly going to be showing you the difference between under-activated film and correctly activated film. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick little demo and show you guys the difference all in how the spray is whenever it's laid down onto the film. And that can be very, very minute, but it makes a big difference whenever you are dipping into the film. So I'm gonna go ahead, I've already got some pieces cut. We're gonna lay them both down as close to the same as possible. And then we're going to go ahead and spray one. It's gonna be under activated. We're gonna spray another one. It's gonna be correctly activated. You'll see the difference in the sheen and you'll also see the difference in the dip. So let's get started. All right, so we've got the film laid down into the water, and then again, we're gonna try to tighten this up a little bit more, get these dividers set, so then that way we have two areas that we can go ahead. We're going to under activate this area right here, and we're going to correctly activate this area right here. So thanks to Dustin, a good friend of mine, he was able to help me get this laid down. So of course that way it's going to be a direct side-by-side comparison. So we've got about 20 seconds left on the timer itself. So of course the film is going to sit for about 60 seconds on the water at 80 to 90 degrees. Right now we're about 85. And so we're going to spray this with under activated and we're going to spray this with correctly activated with just a little bit of difference in the spray pattern itself. And it's going to make a world of difference whenever we go to dip our hands down inside both of these. All right, so if you'll notice, we have a very light sheen all the way through here. And now again, we've got just a pretty much a very bad hazy look. Now again, you come over here to this side over here, it looks totally different. We've got a really beautiful glassed out look, and then these are going to dip completely different. So you can already tell that this is already starting to break up, but again, we're gonna go ahead and dip these side by side just like this. And so you can see the left side is of course dipping down just like paper down into the water, not even pretty much wrapping around at all. And then of course we have the right side, which is going down just absolutely beautiful. And this is what we're looking for in a dip. Of course, we've got it all the way around, all of my fingers, and of course coming all the way down. We've got an even stretch coming down through here from a dark black all the way to a lighter black. And then of course, looking at this right here, this is a complete fail, like totally 100% fail. This is going to be a complete redo, all because of the amount of activator that was applied. And that's going to be a very big determination on if you're getting the correct amount of activator applied and you're getting a good dip. Because if you don't have that activator set just right, that dip's not gonna come out right, no matter how good you dip it into the water. So always make sure that you have a good glassed out look like what we have right in here, and not looking like a piece of paper sitting on the water or like a hazy glass look, because that is not going to be enough activator. You need to apply more on it no matter what, or else you're going to be getting these results like this every single time compared to what you could get with this right here. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, if you haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips and tricks on anything hydrographics related. As well as if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything, as well as if you're looking for any supplies or anything like that for the hydrographics, definitely check out the website. We're also going to have a link in the description below, so that way you can get anything that you need for your hydrographic needs, as well as training, film, paints, supplies, equipment, anything like that. It's all on the website, so definitely check that out. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.